Latest generation Audi R8 on a 73 plate has been in with us today. We've just done the latest upgrade in dash cameras from BlackVue with the DR970X, and it's the LTE version. This particular one has a built-in SIM card, so you can actually do remote viewing, get remote notifications if anybody walks around near your vehicle. So it just gives you that extra sort of peace of mind for vehicle video security. So I just thought I'll just do a quick video. I've got a bit of spare time to show you what installation we can achieve in these particular Audi latest generation R8s. So I'll just give you a quick tour. So in this particular one, obviously we've got the LTE version here, which it doesn't have to have the CM100, so there's less wiring. And as you see, we've managed to just get that wiring right into that very small, tight little binnacle there. And then I'll just show you the rear camera. As you can see, that's hardly visible here into the back. Which you can have an option of just recording that beautiful engine as you're racing down the road, or obviously use it for a little bit of parking security to see if anybody is obviously walking around the vehicle. So I'll just do a step back so you can sort of see. In terms of from driver point of view, you're not really going to see it from that side because we've mounted it so it's nicely hidden behind the rear view mirror. And as you can see there's a sort of engine shot, and you can just see the rear camera there. It's hardly visible here at the back. So if you've got either a Generation 1 Audi R8 or Generation 2/3, because I think this is the last sort of hurrah before they're going to electric, then please give us a call to book it in for the latest dash camera technology.